Let's create 3D environment for the element 3D. For that we have to come in After Effects and create new composition, and you can set here from here timing, then press OK. Click here in the blank space and create a solid first. Then just go to Effect and come under the Video Copilot and press Element. For that you have to already installed Element 3D in your After Effects. Press Element and it will take some time. Now we have effect control here. Where is Element 3D? And press Scene Setup. Now we have come under the Element 3D. This is the interface. Now here is a create button. Let's create a plane. We have a plane and just scale it up from here, scale. Now we have scaled it up. Now let's add material or texture inside it. For that you have to already installed or already downloaded the textures where is diffuse, glossiness and normal bump, so that it should be look like a realistic. So first just go inside the diffuse and load texture. I have installed already. I will select pavement and just click the OK button. Now come under the glossiness, load the same texture, and now it's time to glossiness. Click here, open and turn all the up and click OK. Now just copy it and paste in reflectivity. Paste here. Now just come under the normal bump and load the texture, and this is blue color, it is normal bump, and click OK. Now you can see here the normal bump on the tile or a floor. Then just we scale it up. Click here and scale it up to 1000. Now we have a scale. Then we just go to here UV mapping and UV repeated. We will just change it to 20 by 20. Click OK. Now we have a nicely plane, and when we zoom up we will find that the different kind of tiles just attached on the plane. Now we have a 3D plane. Now we have to add environment map. So click OK and choose here. Although there is a different kind of preset here, but I will choose separately downloaded 4K image and click open. Now just ignore the warning. Click OK and yes, OK. Now click OK button. You will see nothing here. For that you have to click here on the empty space and create a camera. Then when there is a camera, come back to the solid layer where is element 3D placed on and click on the render setting. Under the rendering setting we have to click physical environment and show in background. Just click and boom, here is the 360 environment. Just click here on the camera option here and rotate it. Now we have a nicely 3D element where is 360 degree environment. Now as we moving the camera we can see that it is moving with the camera, but we can do it better. So go back to scene setup. Scene setup. Now we have already plane, but we need a 360 feeling so that it will look like a seamless. Then we have to create a sphere. Now let's take out the sphere from the group 1 and add it to 2, 3 or 5. You can place anyone. I select 3. Now just come under the sphere model. Here is the sphere. Now just come under the texture setting or default, where we will find diffuse, and load the same set we have already installed under the environment. Now click here, load preset, where you already downloaded the same picture, and click OK. Ignore the warning and just click OK. Now you will see here the environment appear on the sphere. Now just come under the tab where is illumination and click OK. Click OK and intensity up to 100%. Yes, this is our 3D 360 environment. Now just raise the size up to 10,000. So click here on the sphere and on a scale here 10,000. Now we see nothing here because we are under the sphere. To just bring the sphere, we have to go back in down and click. We have to click draw back faces. Yes, now we have a seamless 3D environment here. As you can see the 3D environment here, and all the up we have to check some other option as yes, already it seems good. Yes, now click OK. Now check here, just move the camera and see. Now here you can check it is working very well. Yes, if you want to increase, then you can increase the size of the plane, but we will just add the small amount of fog so that it will look like natural. So come on the solid and come under the render setting, where you will find fog. Under the fog section, enable the fog and change to color to the light gray about here, and click OK. Then you will see that the fog is appearing here, and you can adjust it. First, the fog opacity turn down up to 20%, and then just fog distance, you can adjust the distance of fog, that where you want to the real exact fog. So we will change it up to when we get a clear point. So increase it all the up, and now it is going to be seamless. Yes, a little bit down. Yes, so this is our 3D environment map. For the extra, you can add the lighting here, and when it all done, you come back to the solid layer and click on the scene setup. And you will reach back to the plane. Now we can add some model. For example, I am putting a model where we have a baseball stadium. Yes, just take it up. Yes, and this is your stadium. If you want to put stadium, you can do it, and you can increase the size from here. And when you do it, just take it up on the Y scale, and yes, this is a stadium. And this is how you can make the scene for your video, and click OK. Now you will find the scene here, and now you can perform the camera movement here and shoot your scene. This is how you create your 3D or 360 environment for your 3D scene. Thank you.